Aspirants. Continuing this RRB NTPC GKGS question series, we are here again with 40 more questions in our set 5 of 20. Following the GKGS syllabus, each day we are covering a set of questions which will be important for the upcoming exam. So without delay, let's start. So our first question is the highest peak in the South India is Anamudi, Dodabetta, Agasthapuram, Nilgiri Hills. Answer is Anamudi. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? Na2CO3, NaHCO3, CaCO3, CaOH, Pol2. The answer is NaHCO3. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of these states? Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Tripura. Answer is Bihar. Bauxite is an ore of which metal? Copper, aluminium, iron, zinc. The answer is aluminium. Which is the hardest natural substance? Gold, diamond, iron, quartz. Answer is diamond. The famous Dilwara temples are located in Mount Abu, Jaipur, Khajuraho, Udaipur. Answer is Mount Abu. Which river originates from Amarkantak? Narmada, Godavari, Mahanadi, Tapti. Answer is Narmada. The term GIGO is related to economics, agriculture, computers, biology. Answer is computers. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of Finance Commission? Article 280, Article 265, Article 275, Article 285. Answer is Article 280. Which of the following is not a writ issued by the Supreme Court? Habeas corpus, certiorari, mandamus, suo motu. Answer is suo motu. Which part of the Constitution deals with the Union Executive? Part 4, Part 5, Part 6, Part 3. Answer is Part 5. The Treaty of Basin 1802 was signed between the British and options are Holkar, Tipu Sultan, Nizam of Hyderabad, Bajirao II. Answer is Bajirao II. The first Sultan of Delhi to introduce the measurements of land and revenue reform was Alauddin Khilji, Iltutmish, Balban, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. What type of blood cells fight infections? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, plasma. Answer is white blood cells. Which part of the plant is responsible for transporting water? Phloem, xylem, stomata, chloroplast. Answer is xylem. The term ring of fire is associated with tornadoes, earthquakes and volcanoes, floods, hurricanes. Answer is earthquakes and volcanoes. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? South Africa, Australia, USA, Brazil. Answer is Australia. The invisible hand theory is associated with Karl Marx, Adam Smith, John Maynard Keynes, Alfred Marshall. Answer is Adam Smith. Which of the following is not a tool of monetary policy? Open market operations, bank rate, public expenditure, cash reserve ratio. Public expenditure. The main source of revenue for the Indian government is customs duty, income tax, excise duty, corporate tax. Corporate tax is the answer. Which national park has been declared as India's 58th tiger reserve? Madhav National Park, Sanjay National Park, Guru Ghasidas National Park, Pench National Park. Answer is Madhav National Park. Varuna 2025 is a bilateral naval exercise between India and which country? France, Japan, United States, Australia. Answer is France. The famous Khudai Khidmatgar movement was started by Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh. Answer is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who led the Indigo Revolt 1859? Mahatma Gandhi, Digambar Biswas, Rani Lakshmibai, Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer is Digambar Biswas. What is the Gini coefficient used to measure inflation, income inequality, economic growth, unemployment? Answer is income inequality. Which is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Cyprus, Sardinia, Sicily, Crete. The answer is Sicily. Which river is known as Yellow River? Yangtze, Mekong, Huanghe, Ganges. Answer is Huanghe. Which law explains the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance? Newton's first law, Ohm's law, Faraday's law, Hooke's law. Answer is Ohm's law. The pressure exerted by a fluid in a container depends on height of the fluid, volume of the fluid, shape of the container, temperature of the fluid. Answer is height of the fluid. Which type of the electromagnetic waves have the shortest wavelength? Radio waves, X-rays, infrareds, microwaves. Answer is X-rays. Which physical quantity is a scalar? Force, velocity, acceleration, speed. Answer is speed. Which state became the first to establish a senior citizen commission? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Answer is Kerala. When is the World Tuberculosis Day observed? 22nd March, 23rd March, 24th March, 25th March. Answer is 24th March. Mark Carney became the Prime Minister of which country? Brazil, Mexico, Canada, USA. Answer is Canada. When is Shahid Divas observed every year in India? 21st March, 22nd March, 23rd March, 24th March. Answer is 23rd March. The Deccan Education Society was started by Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule, Raja Rammohn Roy and Keshav Chandra Sen, Swami Vivekananda and Dayananda Saraswati. Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who wrote the book Gulamgiri, criticizing the caste oppression? Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Jyotirao Phule, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Keshav Chandra Sen. Answer is Jyotirao Phule. Which organization worked for the education and social upliftment of Indian Muslims? Arya Samaj, Aligarh Movement, Brahmo Samaj, Prarthana Samaj. Answer is Aligarh Movement. Which organization publishes the World Economic Outlook Report? World Bank, International Monetary Fund, United Nations, World Trade Organizations. Answer is International Monetary Fund. So aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. Don't forget to comment what was your score in this set. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thank you.